Bit of a shame I couldn't do the last GP in the World Championship in Spain. I came down with a sinus infection which affected my vision and I had a fever, but super proud about my 8th in the World Championship in the 24 season, rookie season in the 450, so 8th position is really great. And yeah, now starting to feel a little bit better and ready to go for Motocross of Nations, last race of the season, coming up in England this weekend, representing my nation, so really excited for that. And let's get the weekend started, traveling to England here from France, and Motocross of Nations 2024 coming up. Let's go!
You like?
Yeah, I like.
It's full potato.
Yeah, maybe.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Okay, actually I prefer your jersey. Sorry Norway, but I prefer your jersey.
35.
No.
You know you have last, we are just before.
Switzerland need a little bit bad gate pick. They have Seaver as a starter, so it's good for me that they are on the outside.
Oh.
Friday, Motocross of Nations, biggest event of the year. Really excited. Jersey, looking good, and I can listen. The crowd is already going crazy with the chainsaws, so ready to go out to check the track. It's quite a lot more busy Fridays here at the Nations than normal races. It's a cool event, the biggest Olympics of motocross, the biggest event of the year. So yeah, excited to be here and represent my country. So let's go.
Love, do you want love? Do you want lust? Say you don't know, maybe you just like the control. Like it all cold, but I like your drugs. Sit in my blood.
But if Pauline was here, he'd jump for. England is not too bad, eh? Sun is shining, October, but the ground is looking very, very soft. Eh? I think it will be some ruts out here.
What are we thinking, Kev?
Looks sweet. No, but a little bit sun in the sky and then a little bit wind, and the track dries up super quick, so it looks prime. Gonna be good.
Running down my face, water, running different ways, water, like a billion ways, water.
How we looking? Team Norway?
Oh, let's go!
British October. It's quite cold here, yeah? Pretty fresh.
Welcome to winter.
You blew me into stardust, ooh, but I made it just dangling like a thread from you. Climb into your walls, I'm where the spiders go. I'm here, but you're not sure. What are you waiting for? Stretch me like leather rope, make me invisible. Take me into your fall. What are you waiting for? It's an airless blockade on. You told the air go. You told the air go.
Good luck, yeah? You need it against England, boy.
So it's opening ceremonies right now for the teams. Team Norway have a high number, so we are one of the first ones out. But yeah, as you can probably hear, it's quite a good atmosphere already. Got some shirts to give away, so hopefully that will lighten the mood a bit. Got my morning coffee, ready for qualifying day.
Yes. Get woken up.
yeah, you can see on my hair that I had a good night of sleep maybe.
Straight out of
It's
bed.
starting to be long. In the beginning of the season I was a skinhead, now it's starting to be a little bit longer.
Maybe we will go back to the old Horgmo.
Yeah, maybe. Year to year. Full gas family. 40 minutes free practice in the morning and then yeah, have some fun out there.
A pretty long session.
A long one, so I'm not going to do a full moto, that's for sure. Let's just have some fun out there. Hopefully the track is good and yeah, enjoy the day.
Max, let's see the socks.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, put them on. Yes.
Oi, Kevin, you're the boy!
Kevin, you're the boy.
Top 10, top 10.
Are you still ill?
Oi,
Are you still ill?
Yeah, a little bit, but it's getting better.
oi, Charlie.
Yeah, almost back to normal.
Can I get a photo?
The picture, yeah.
Good morning. Good, Horgmo.
Good sleep.
Yeah, perfect. Good morning. Good.
All good.
Oh, I'm tired. Jet lag.
Oh no.
You don't put. Me? Why? I don't have for this long. It's more important for the mechanic. Look good on the pit lane. You need to do the Albanian style.
Like on the
Outside the pan.
on the tongue.
Yeah, do just for a video.
Yeah.
But actually we have one national kit in Norway that you have the socks like this.
Oh, j'ai 60.
I feel the arm pump coming already. Oh la la. Too much pressure for the day, Chins.
No, it's nice and chill.
Oh, nice and chill.
Let's go. Hunter Lorenz en 2.00. Gifting en 2.00 également. Oh, 644 and Martin.
I mean, yeah, I rode once in 3 weeks, so
Yeah.
and then the track is like this. It was like the ruts so long, but that's okay. It's same for everybody. But on the takeoffs, the up ramps, and the landings was like full soft with big ruts, big arm pump after 3 laps. Yeah, but I think actually my first and second sector was good.
Yeah.
But then I couldn't finish one lap because I had arm pump. And 17, so
Oh,
wrestle wise not top, but feeling riding wise I think it's okay.
good.
I think decent start and it's possible around the 10, 12,
Yeah, that would be nice.
that would be good. So, but yeah, they need to prepare the track a little bit now for sure to make it raceable because fuck, now it was like super rough already. Full patat.
Oh, not the cough.
A little bit still. A little bit slimy in the chest.
Your blades are sharpened with precision, flashing your favorite point of view. I know you're waiting in the distance, just like you always do, just like you always do. Already pulling me in, already under my skin, and I know exactly how this ends. I let you cut me open just to watch me bleed. Gave up who I am for who you wanted me to be. Don't know why I'm hoping for what I won't receive. Falling for the promise of the emptiness machine. The emptiness machine.
Yeah, so yesterday, good day for Team Norway, 11th overall. 11th in my MXGP qualifying race, but I was feeling really under the weather. I had a good start in around 7th place, but all my energy was just empty and I was feeling that my chest was burning, didn't have power, my legs completely empty on my body, but yeah, I think it's normal after 3 weeks. No training, riding one time, and yeah, that's just being sick and still feeling a little bit ill. Hopefully today even better. I feel like every day I'm getting better now lately, the last few days, so it's just when I do sports it's heavy for the body. So yeah, hopefully a good day today. It's looking a little bit cloudy outside, but actually the weather forecast don't predict any rain for now until like after the last moto, so hopefully it stays that way. Yeah, excited for today, so let's have a good day. Hopefully my body feel better and I can have 2 good motos, so let's go for it. Motocross of Nations Sunday race day.
How was the track? Okay.
Yeah, much better today. It's a bit harder, and I think no rain overnight, so a bit better. But it's really hard. Like from yesterday, it was really soft. To today, it's quite hard packed. So
The quali race, how did that go?
yeah, I had a decent start, but I was just dying. Like I think the sickness got up to me. So
I could tell.
yeah, I was not riding like myself. That's for sure.
But still, 11th.
Yeah, like I was focusing just to try to get to the finish, like in one piece, so in the best possible position for the team. So kind of went all out for qualifying moto physically, and yeah, today just need to get 2 good starts, I think, and then try to be in it, and yeah, do my best, because yeah, I cannot do anything about the sickness.
Perfect preparation.
Yellow snot. Trying to get some hot in my body. I'm freezing. And every time I do like this, I have like the dots in my ears, you know, like when you have the air pressure.
Yeah.
The most nervous I've been for a race all year.
You got it, lad.
Gonna go out and die. Make my country proud.
Team Norway, let's go.
Oh yeah. Let's go. pretty big get off there in the end, unfortunately, and banged up my hand and also my knee pretty good. It was not the best ending to the moto, but yeah, I was riding decent in the beginning, around the 12th, 13th position. Closer to the end of the moto, when I didn't have the energy in the body to withstand like the bumps and stuff, so I fell through. Dropped down to a 16th position. Second to last lap, I just crashed on one corner, lost my focus completely, and also had no strength in my body. And then on the last lap, the big crash, and yeah, rolled my way to the finish line in 20th position. Definitely could been a lot better result-wise if I didn't have those two stupid mistakes, but I was lucky to escape any major injuries and tried to rest up as best as possible for my third race. But now it's time for MX2, MX Open for the second race.
Tell me that I'm the one. Say that you love me too. Kisses don't come for free. So what you waiting for? Back to mine, only 5. Then we can go all night. Then we can go all night. So if you want me, tell me that I'm the one. Say that you love me too. Kisses don't come for free. So what you waiting for? Back to mine, only 5. Then we can go all night. 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 So if you want me, tell me that I'm the one. Say that you love me too. Kisses don't come for free. So what you waiting for? Back to mine, only 5. Then we can go all night. Then we can go all night. So if you want me, tell me that I'm the one. Say that you love me too. Kisses don't come for free. So what you waiting for? Back to mine, only 5.
Here we go. Nice up. Bravo.
We can go all night. So if you want me. So if you want me, so if you want me.
Last moto of the weekend didn't go to plan, MXGP and MX Open. I had the second gate pick, so I started from the outside and made my way through to 24th position, but got cleaned out on the first or second lap, I can't remember. And my handguard was stuck in the front brake, so I had to get that fixed before I got going, and then I was completely lost. I was so far behind when I had the first crash, but I tried to keep going anyway. I was feeling that I was losing my focus, and once again all my energy in my body was really feeling the heat from race 1 and the sickness, I think, and yeah, I had another big crash on the 4th lap, and after that I retired from the race. I went straight over the bars and had a big one. Unfortunately also Tundle in the open class, he had some issues and he had to DNF, so yeah, it was not the best day for Team Norway, but in the end we got 17th position overall. Not our goal coming into the weekend, but I think we can be happy that we managed to qualify in a good position on Saturday and showed some good promise, but unfortunately we didn't make the best of it on Sunday, but that's how the sport goes sometimes, and maybe I shouldn't even be racing, but I tried everything to do as best as possible, and yeah, here we are. So would like to thank everyone for this season. It's been a really nice one, a lot of racing, and it's time to rest up. get healthy. So hopefully see you guys soon again, and full gas.